Hello everyone, welcome to BALC, Bharatiya Academy of Linguistics and Communication, an ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. My name is Pavitra. I am here to tell you all about GST, the most important topic running in and around. I hope everyone wants to know what is GST. We'll learn today as what is GST and something related to GSTs. Okay, I'll start that with the presentations. Again, welcome to BALC. So as I have told, we'll be talking about GST. First of all, what is GST? GST is the goods and service tax. It's a value added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumptions. In the sense, whatever the goods we consume in our daily life, we'll be paying a tax for it, and that tax is called as GSTs. Who will be a taxpayer? Obviously, it will be the end user or a consumer who will be paying a tax for a goods and services. Then I'll get into the next slide. The next slides tell me India's adoptions of the goods and service tax. So, the India established a dual GST structure in 2017. And now you can question me. So, before GST, what was the tax that we were paying? So, it has a very big list in the sense before manufacturing and after manufacturing and in the process of delivery and in the process of consumption, they used to pay a taxes on tax. It means the cascading system of taxations, in the sense they used to pay VAT, custom, sales, excise duty, everything. So instead of that, they have come up with the single taxation policies called as GST now. And the second most thing is, the main objective of incorporating the GST was to eliminate tax on tax or double taxation. The one I told you, before GST we used to pay most number of taxes, and now we are paying only one tax called as GSTs, and which reduces a burden of a consumers. And then we have a third point called as with cascading form of the manufacturing level to the consumption level. In the sense, the manufacturing level to consumptions level, they used to pay tax with different names. But here we don't have different names and different taxation to pay, and now we pay only GST for a one product. That's it. And let's move on to the next slide. The next slide tells me the types of GST that we pay. The types of GST that we pay is CGST, SGST and IGST. The CGST stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. The SGST stands for the State Goods and Service Tax. Lastly, IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. I know you have a question as what is the central, state and integrated. We'll see to that in detail in the next slide. The next slide tells me that collections of tax is undertaken in the following way for intrastate and interstate transactions. In the sense, when do you pay CGST, SGST and when do you pay IGST? So now I'll be telling you this one. So GST levy and revenue shares, intrastate, interstate. If you are purchasing or if you are selling a goods between two different states, you have to go for intrastate sales. If you are purchasing goods and services within the state, you have to go for intrastate sales or purchase anything. So if that is between the different states, you will pay IGST. If that is within the state, you will pay SGST and CGST. Now we'll see how does the revenue will be shared between the governments. Now if we pay CGST and SGST, the revenue collected will be shared between the state and the central government equally. That in the sense, if you are paying 18% of the tax, 9% will be divided to state government and the 9% will be divided to the central government. And if that is a transaction between intrastate, you will be paying IGST. The revenue collected entirely will be benefited to the central government. There is no share between the states here. And lastly, we'll end up with seeing what is the percentage of tax we'll pay. The goods and service tax applicable rates are exempted goods. The goods which we do not pay the tax is called as exempted goods. And I have 0.25 rate slab. This is not much popular. I have 5% rate slab. I have 12%, 18 and 28, and all these are IGSTs. If that is between states, you will divide them into halves and you will divide them into CGSTs and SGSTs. So guys, this was all about GST's introductions, implementation dates, so and so. So this was about the theoretical part. I'll meet you in the next video with the practical session of GSTs with the help of Tally, and thank you. Bye bye.